city is approximately 127,000 people. We have 37 lift stations. The problem at this station is the power fluctuates quite a bit, causing the PLC that was in here to burn up. We've had them go out 4 different times, requiring a lot of downtime to reprogram, but also causing a financial burden on the budget that the city maintains. One of the biggest surprises about the MultiSmart powered by Nexicon is the ability to be retrofitted into any type of station. This particular station does not have Flygt pumps. You do lose some of the functionality that is pre-programmed in, such as running the pumps backwards with clogs or stuff of that nature. However, it's very easy to program in and retrofit all the stations that we have. If I was to recommend the MultiSmart powered by Nexicon to my friends, I would let them know that the overall functionality of it is great. There's a lot of different functions that it has. It's got a lot of functions that most PLCs don't have, or if they do have, requires substantial programming. And not just the PLC going out, but when it gets a power fluctuation, it would also shut off. So we would have to come out and turn it on. We don't have that problem with the MultiSmart powered by Nexicon.